So I think the very first thing which you have to understand, if it has to change, it is only you. और इसके ऊपर there are so many sayings from Quran. अल्लाह सूरत अनफाल की आयत में देख लीजिए, इन्नल्लाह ला युगय्यिरु, बेशक अल्लाह नहीं बदलेगा किसी माँ बिकौमिन, किसी शख्स, किसी फर्द, किसी इदारे की हालत को हत्ता जब तक के युगय्यिरु, वो खुद ना बदले माँ बेअनफुसिहिम, जो उसके अंदर है, जो उसके दिल में है, जो उसके बिलीफ्स हैं. So the moment your beliefs get changed, you know, it is me, and it is only me who can change my life. Change from the inside out, not from the outside in. 67 years से 65 साल से हम इस मुल्क में we are expecting a change from outside in, which is in contradiction with the laws of nature. आप में से कोई किसी को अपने आप को बदलने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, और हम हर शख्स दिन में 50 दफा दूसरों को बदलने की बात करते हैं. अब वो आपने ये क्यों किया, अम्मा आपने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया, सहेली को कहेंगे तुमने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं की, टीचर को कहेंगे कुछ और. वी आर ऑलवेज टेलिंग समबडी दैट दे शुड चेंज. माय डियर, लाइफ इज नॉट अबाउट चेंजिंग अदर्स, लाइफ इज अबाउट चेंजिंग योरसेल्फ. When was the last time you told yourself, you taught yourself that I have to change? That's what Quran ayat says, that's what the psychology of peak performance is telling you. Your life will change when you say, it's me, I'm going to focus on how can I do, what difference can I make. Allah is not going to ask each and every one of you, did you change the government of Pakistan? But Allah is definitely going to ask each and every one of you, did you change yourself? You are the CEO of your own life. And you don't even realize that. इस मुल्क में आप कुछ भी नहीं है, but you are definitely chief executive officer of your own life. If you could not change yourself being the CEO of your own life, what would you do if I made you the president of Pakistan? You would do nothing. You will literally do nothing. But if you change today yourself, then I think that your life will change, because your environment will change and your definition of what was happening around would change. So Islam is all about proactivity, and so is the success. Successful people are proactive people. They do things before time. They realize what is coming up. They do things, you know, what I should be doing. They plant small seeds. Kamyab log, they plant, because success takes about 20 years to happen. There are no shortcuts for success. And easy comes, easy goes. And the success which you make like this, you fall like this. And I can prove it right standing here. Show me a single successful people. The easier you get, easier it will go. Because foundation आपकी उसकी बुनियादें नहीं होंगी. जो घर ऐसा बनेगा वो घर ऐसे ही जाएगा. फाउंडेशन खाली होंगी, इट टेक्स 20. बिल गेट्स की कामयाबी कहीं नहीं जाने लगे. मैकडॉनल्ड्स आज तक खड़ा हुआ है, KFC खड़ा हुआ है आज तक, होंडा मोटर कॉर्पोरेशन खड़ी हुई है. Why? Because it takes them about 50-60 years to be whatever they became. So they have very strong footings. So up 20 odd years, you need a lot of patience. And you need to be very sure. यहाँ पे जो नाकाम लोग हैं, they want to have quick rewards like this. अभी मुझे मिल जाए कुछ, सुबह मैं वैसा बीज बोऊं, शाम को दरख्त बनाओ, और कल मैं इसके नीचे बैठा आम खा रहा हूं. तो वो चाइनीज ही मिल सकते हैं आपको ऐसे दरख्त.